my beloved Kathy Nanix, it's me again, Kathy here, Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's do another makeup vlog. So we are again gonna go outside, so I'm gonna get ready and I will show you how I put my makeup for today's look. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just took a shower and now let's prep our face before we start putting the makeup on, foundation and everything. So right now I have the Medicube Vitamin C Serum. Yan yung pinaka-una kong nilalagay talaga. Even without any makeup, but for everyday look, pag lumalabas ako ng bahay or every morning, ito yung nilalagay ko talaga. After that, lagyan po natin ng Lux Organics Power Glow Lightweight Tone Up Cream with SPF 30. So ito po yung ginagamit ko as sunscreen or sunblock. So ilagay po natin bago tayo maglagay ng primer at maglagay ng makeup. Now let's start the basic, which is putting the foundation primer on para maging smooth yung pag-apply natin ng foundation later. Yan. So, unahin po natin yung eyeshadow natin. And I'm gonna do something different for this video. Lalagay tayo ng tape dito sa side kasi gusto kong makuha yung very sharp edge dito na dulo ng paglagay ng eyeshadow. So, ang gagawin po natin ay mahanap ko man lang ang dulo nito. Ayun. Tanggalin natin. Like this. Kupit. Tapos, ilagay natin dito sa side. Yan. So, yan yung magiging guide natin na hanggang dyan lang yung ating eyeshadow. And, kung lumagpas man, it's okay kasi pagtanggal nito mamaya, straight pa rin naman yan dyan. Ito na yung mga wrinkles, mga fine lines. Yan. Now, let's put our eyeshadow primer. Very clear lang ito. And again, sasabihin ko ulit, you need this one, especially kung gusto ninyong talagang mag-intensify yung kulay ng eyeshadow ninyo kasi there's something in this product na talagang lumalabas yung totoong kulay at saka pigment ng eyeshadow ninyo. So parang wala lang yan guys, nilalagay ninyo. Pero talagang nakakatulong po yan. Alright, so for today's look, I already know what to wear and it has a touch of burgundy slash pink slash a little bit of purple. Or at least yun ang para sa paningin ko, yun yung kulay niya. So, siguro, gagamitin natin itong palette na to. Yung Natural by Lang Money. And then, I also have here Moondust by Urban Decay. And then, I also have the Morphe, which is purple tone, brown tone din. So I'll play around with these colors. So let's start. sa mata natin. Now, let's take the tape off and then let's finish our whole face. So, yan. Yan. So, malinis. And, yung mga excess ko sa gilid. So, yun. Let's finish up with foundation, the eyebrows, lipstick, and of course the hair. here is our final look. So, do you guys like it? Do you guys love it? Because I do love it. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell button para naman notify kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. So, yun po. This has been Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!